सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Edutech. Today we are watching some GK questions for class 5th general. First question: how many consonants are there in the English alphabet? 21 consonants there in the English alphabet. What grows quicker, here or toenails? Here. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Which famous children's book has two characters named Toodledum and Toodlady? This question answer is Alice Through the Looking Glass by Lewis Carroll. Which planet has the giant red spot? This question answer is Jupiter. Which of the following is not metal gold? A resin glass. Resin. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau is the largest plateau in the world. Okay. Which ocean did the famous Titanic sink in 1912? Pacific, North Atlantic, or the Mediterranean? North Atlantic Ocean. Which two parts of the body continue to grow for our entire life? Nose and ears. These two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life. Very nice question, and this answer is very well. So next question: what makes up approx 80% of our brain's value? This question answer is glial cells. Glial cells makes 80% of our brain's volume. So today we have watched some GK quiz and their answer in this video, and I wish you liked this video. So I am completing my short lecture in here. Namaskar.